Hello viewers, in today's video I am going to show you how to use this R307 Biometric Fingerprint Sensor. The sensor module has total 6 pins and it comes with a 6-pin connector. We will attach the connector to our circuit. Now, although the sensor has total 6 wires, we will only need 4 of them. If we look at the pin diagram, they are numbered 1 through 6. The first pin for my sensor, this is the red wire, is the 5V pin. This needs 5V power. The second pin is the black wires and this pin is ground pin, so we will connect it to our power supply's ground. Pin 3 is the TX pin. For my sensor, this is the yellow color wire. This is the TX pin, and the fourth pin for my sensor, this is the green color wire, is the RX pin. So, these two wires or RX and TX connect to our microcontroller for UART or serial communication. We won't use remaining 2 pins, we will just focus on pins 1 through 4, only these 4 wires or these 4 pins. This fingerprint sensor can store up to 127 fingerprint IDs, each stored as ID numbers like ID1, ID2 and so on up to ID 127. In this video, I will just show you how to enroll a fingerprint ID into the sensor's memory. I will use an Arduino Nano and a breadboard for the connection. Now, ideally you would solder jumper wires with this sensor wires, because the sensor wires are very thin. Breadboard connection can be loose. But for this demo, I will use the breadboard without extra jumper wire soldering. So, at first place the Arduino Nano. Now, at first I will connect the first wires or these red wires with the 5V pin, and the second wires, which is ground pin, will be connected to the ground pin of our Arduino Nano. And then the third pin, this is the TX pin of this sensor, and I will connect it with the digital pin 2, and the RX pin of this sensor will be connected with the digital pin 3 of Arduino Nano. Okay, that's it. This is our connection. Now, I will just connect the Arduino Nano with my computer through the USB cable. Okay, now I am on my computer screen. At first, open your Arduino IDE software, then go to the library manager and search for Adafruit Fingerprint Sensor. Okay, this is Adafruit Fingerprint Sensor library. Just click on install. Okay, the sensor successfully installed. Close the library manager. Now, from the file section, then click on examples and scroll down a little bit below, and then click on Adafruit Fingerprint Sensor library. Here we are looking a lot of example program. From that, just click the enroll program. Okay, this is our enroll example program. We will use this program to store fingerprint ID in our fingerprint sensor. So, now go to the tool section, select the board as Arduino Nano and select the correct port. Here my Arduino Nano is connected on COM12, so that here I will choose the port as COM12. Okay, everything will keep as same. Now just click on upload. Okay, the program successfully uploaded to our Arduino Nano. Just open the serial monitor, keep the baud rate as 9600. Here we are looking that our fingerprint sensor is ready to enroll, and here we are asking to submit a ID. As I told you before that the fingerprint sensor can store total 127 IDs. So, before storing a ID, we need to provide a number. Suppose I want to store the thumb finger and the index finger of my right hand. So, I wishes to enroll my thumb's fingerprint as ID number 1. So in the serial monitor I will just type 1 and press enter. Then it is now asking me to place my fingerprint here. Okay, it taken a picture, then remove your finger and place the same finger again. Okay, now it's showing me that ID 1 is stored. So now the thumb's finger is stored as ID number 1. Like this way, now I will store the index finger. For that, at first we need to type 2 in the serial monitor, then press enter. Now we are asking to place my finger. Okay, I just placed my index finger, then remove the finger and place the same finger again. Okay, it's now showing that ID2 is stored. That means we have successfully enrolled 2 of our fingerprint in this fingerprint sensor. We can also check this in a very easy steps. For that, go to the file section, go to the example and then go to the Arduino fingerprint sensor library, and from this list just open the fingerprint program. Okay, this is the fingerprint program. Using this program we can easily verify is there any fingerprint stored in my sensor from my sample. Suppose I will check all the 5 fingers. If any of our finger is stored here, it will shows the ID number. So just upload the program to Arduino. The program uploaded. Now open the serial monitor. Okay, it's continuously checking any fingerprint is placed here and showing that no finger detected. Then I will just place my middle finger here, and it's told me that image taken but not matched or unknown error. Now I will place my thumb's finger. Already I have stored this fingerprint in the sensor, so I will check it. If it matches, then it will show the ID number here. I will do it by at first the index finger, just place it here. It told me that image taken and it found the image ID 2. That means our index finger is recorded in the sensor memory, and it all successfully read the fingerprint ID and tell me that it is already stored in our sensor as ID 2. If I place the thumb's finger, okay, it's showing me that this is the ID 1. That means we have successfully enrolled our fingerprint in the sensor, and we can also verify it very easily. So guys, I think all of you understand how to use the R307 biometric fingerprint sensor and how to enroll any fingerprint ID into this sensor memory. If you found this video as helpful, then you are requested to like this video and share your comment. And if you are not subscribed my channel yet, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.